How to sell stock. Sound effects for residual income. Want to make passive income with sound effects? Here's how. Point 1. Create high-quality sounds. Record or design sound effects like whooshes, clicks, and ambient noises using audio software. Point 2. Upload to stock platforms. Sell your sounds on sites like stock audio marketplaces, earning royalties per download. Point 3. Optimize for search use detailed descriptions and keywords to help buyers find your sound effects easily. Point 4. Scale your library, consistently upload new sounds to build a steady stream of residual income. Start selling today. Like and subscribe for more passive income tips.